Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. In this episode, I'll be unboxing our August 2021 glove box, which I refer to as our road trip box. I will also be giving you some tips and tricks on how to use all the products included. So let's get started. Okay, as you guys can see, we're not in one of my typical detail bays. We're at my house working on one of the most important vehicles, my wife's 2020 Tahoe. You heard me refer to this as my road trip box, and this is why. Typically when I go on a road trip with my family or for work, when I get into the town I'm staying, I will look for the closest self-service car wash where you could spray the pressure washer, foam it, and rinse it off. But I've always had trouble after that drying the vehicle and adding some protection while doing it. So what I do is I use lithium car care after wash, which is a drying aid that also has polymers and SiO2, so it adds protection. How it works is when I'm done spraying my car down, foaming it, rinsing it off while it's still wet, I'm gonna spray this on here. See, the hood's wet right now. I'm gonna take the included 19 by 35 GloveBox drying towel. All I'm gonna do is dry the car. You'll feel it, it's super slick. This adds a lot of lubricity to the paint surface, which is great because that's where most of your scratches will come from. Your marring, what is called scratches in the detail world. Marring looks like little spider webs when the sun hits your vehicle, it looks nasty. So during the drying process is when a lot of that damage happens. So we wanna get rid of some of that risk, and doing so is using a drying aid that has a lot of lubricity to it. But also, why not add protection while you're doing it? Boom. So it's that simple. The hood's wet, I just spray this on here, I work one panel at a time and then just dry it off like I normally would. What's also great about this product is it can be used as a quick detailer in between washes and still add protection. Again, couple mist, and doing my wipe down. Very simple. It's that easy. Now, what about when after I do that wash, if I have some nasty bugs still on the surface? It happens. The pressure washer sometimes doesn't hit those bugs, especially when I'm driving really fast trying to get to where I'm going and the bug splatters all over the paint surface, glass, chrome, the side mirrors, all that stuff. So this month, in our road trip box, we included from DP the insect eliminator, which is available at AutoGeek. And to pair with that, we did the bug flip towel from Auto Fiber. It's very, very easy to use. Now, do you have to use it right after you're doing a wash? Can you do it when the car wasn't washed and you just want to get rid of some pesky bugs? You can, but I'm going to stress this a lot. Be very careful wiping. I'm working on a cool to the touch surface. I'm going to take my insect eliminator from DP. I'm going to spray it very lightly, like a detail spray. Let it sit for a little bit, 15-30 seconds, out of direct sunlight if you can. Take my Auto Fiber bug flip towel. Has this little mesh in here, so it helps get in between the bug splatter and pulls it up a little. And I'm lightly wiping. That's it. Very lightly. So soft. Let me pull you guys in so you can see this up close, some of the bugs I have on the windshield and the headlight. Okay, if you guys could see that, it's extra bug splatter here that didn't come off in the normal wash process. Like we talked about just a minute ago, I have my DP insect eliminator. I'm gonna spray it directly on there. Now, if this bug was really bad, I'm gonna let it sit for up to a minute out of direct sunlight and then wipe it off. This one's not too bad, so I'm gonna use our bug flip towel from Auto Fiber. Gone. Just like that. If you want to follow up with a normal microfiber towel, you can. And then just wipe all the excess off and any of the overspray that might be around. And then if you wanted to, you can go back with the lithium after wash, the Glow, what they also call Glow, and give it a nice little wipe down, add that little bit of protection back there. Let me show you this other bug splatter on the windscreen that's really bad. Okay, so we just gave you some good tips with some great products on how to keep the exterior of your vehicle looking clean on a road trip, if you drive for work, or just with your normal upkeep. What about the inside? This area gets a lot of abuse, especially if you have little kids, dogs, if the rest of your family neglects to take care of the most important part of the vehicle, the interior. So this month, from Adams Polishes, we included their interior wipes. The reason I chose to put this in here this month, pull one out, say I spill some coffee, right? I need a quick wipe up. Open this up, you just wipe away. This will evaporate. But if you wanted to, grab another towel and just clean that up right away. Or, it is so easy to use, I could pass it back to my 5-year-old when it throws candy at the other child. So it's just easy. And when they're done, throw it away. I don't have a bunch of towels laying around in the vehicle. So, with that being said, the exterior is good for your road trip. Now, the interior is good. So, let me get back to wiping all this stuff down and get on the road. That concludes this episode of Detail Matters. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy detailing.